12. Okay, so we've started recording, and so we started recording and so on. What? So yeah, basically we just created a world, all the game files corrupt. Okay. No, Archie reverted back to like 20 minutes ago when we had all our stuff and we didn't die. I'm on one heart though, being bummed by zombies. I've got no blocks. I'm alive. Oh my god. That's crazy.